tell the truth real fast, and then we're probably done at last. 'Cause I got somewhere to be, and you're done deceiving me into thinking I couldn't do better. Yeah, I know I was probably crazy, thinking someday you'd change. There's nothing left to do now, so I'm playing the game. And so, heartbreaker, I've been working you out. You made loads of mistakes, but none that you talk about. I'm watching every move you make, and I'm on to you. Come on, heartbreaker, give in and surrender to me.
Hi my sweet friends, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, my video is all about decorating my home office cozy, and I'm going to show you 2 ways that I did that. I hope you enjoy.
Traces of thinking I could have done better.
So I recently bought in both of my throne chairs into my office, as well as this beautiful French provincial table. Now what I did is I shopped my own home and found my beautiful blush pink and gold pumpkin that I picked up last year from TK Maxx, and I'm going to add that to the table, as well as this beautiful checkered flower arrangement. Now the vase is also from TK Maxx, and I added my home office sign as well.
Give in and surrender to me.
Now I'm going to add 2 boucle ottomans to the front of the table, and I want to add some little decorative pumpkins. I absolutely love this beautiful one, guys. It lights up, and it was a gift from my sweet friend here on YouTube, Betsy Ann. Now on the opposite ottoman, I put this beautiful blush pink coffee table book, and I love how it came.
Give in and surrender to me.
Now on my throne chairs, I bought in my beautiful chunky knit cushion covers, which are from Pottery Barn. They are such good quality, guys. I've had them for a couple of years now, and I love the cozy feel they bring into the room. I also added this beautiful white cozy throw, which is from Target.
I see you struggle like butterflies in water, can't keep moving forward. I see your shoulders weighted down by armor. You don't need that protection. I will walk on glass, I will run 10,000 miles and more. I will give my eyes. If you lost your sight, I will run through fire. I will carry you through the heat. I will do it all again if you needed me to.
So guys, now I'm going to change up my second look, and I'm going to add some decorative touches to my bookshelves. Now I changed out my throne chairs for the 2 French provincial chairs that I recently painted, and I'm going to add these 2 decorative cushions in the antelope print. Now on the table I used these beautiful pumpkins. Now they come in a set of 3, guys, 1 large and 2 small, and I absolutely love them grouped together. Now I changed out the boucle ottomans and bought in these blue striped ones. These are from Spotlight, guys, and I love how they went so perfectly with my blue French provincial chairs.
I can see you far and wide across the ocean, above the clouds. In your presence I am free. I hear your whisper through the wind. Right now, there's no place that I would rather be. So let this moment last. I've searched myself, I've tried to figure out who I am, and you were always there to lift me up. 'Cause no one else can make me love like you. You give me strength, Lord, I finally know where I belong.
Guys, I absolutely love cozy season, and I love bringing new and inspirational ideas to you so you can decorate your home. Leave me a comment down below which one was your favourite style.
I can feel you in the sunlight and through the cold nights. When I close my eyes, I am walking, oh Lord, beneath the starlight, a love so pure.
Now I know for most of you it is summertime and you're still enjoying that summer air. However, here in Australia, guys, it is currently winter, and today I'm sitting in my pajamas and it's snowing outside. So that just gives you an indication of how cozy my home is at the moment. Now I know my overseas friends have been seeing all the fall decor arrive in store, so I wanted to put this video together for you to give you some inspiration.
There to lift me up, 'cause no one else can make me love like you. You give me strength, Lord, I finally know where I belong.
Now, if you're new to my channel, I'd love to welcome you here. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm the creator of Chelle's Glam Home. I'm an Australian YouTuber who absolutely loves sharing my passion for home decor. I share DIY projects, inspirational ideas, and home tours of my home. So if that's something that may interest you, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family.
I can see you far and wide across the ocean.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate you watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and don't forget to tap your notification bell because I'll be back next Wednesday for more videos here at Chelle's Glam Home.